Hi guys, welcome to the live stream of Shareit Intraday Trading. So today we can see a lot of things happening, from the market. Again, today is the Monday market, October 7th, 2024. You can see the market was declining. That doesn't mean that we are losing, as I said already, that in intraday, if the market is going down also, we can, do a lot of things. One of my student also trader is also like made almost 6,000 today, and even a lot of because you can see 38 products are going down, so you can predict on it, predict on the sell call on this. And 12 are going on upside, you can target them, and you can predict your buy call on that. So let's see the market, like as I said, that 25,000 mark. Even the market pre-market started in a very good way, but it's slowly sliding down, and the time of like 10:30, the market touched the borderline and it fell down more quickly. So that's the thing. And if you see here, after a very long time, we are seeing ITC is doing good. ICICI Bank, Bharti, Airtel, Dr. Reddy, and Cipla. All these five stocks are doing so good here. And in the symbol of decline, we can see Adani Ports, ONGC, Adani Entertainment, and Bell and Coal India. So mostly you can see Adani Enterprise, sorry. Mostly you can see natural gas and mining and port, and the company who's dealing that, you know, are all facing some kind of decline today. Okay, so let me open the Excel sheet. So let me get ready for this. So this is what we got that day. After that, a lot of things happen in the market. Let's duplicate this. Okay, so I'm going to remove all the data which is here. So let's start a fresh plate. Yes. Let's go here and let me refresh before starting it. So today the market is very downside, so I'm going to target all these down decline trades, which is Adani Port. Yeah, we can do that, which is a very good number. And you can see other Adani Enterprises is going out of this. And let's talk about Adani Ports now. I'm just trying in a new platform today and see how that works. Okay, so the candle is like that. It doesn't have the vertical. So it has only this kind of data. Trend line, horizontal line is there. Okay, which is good. Crosshair is there. I'm just checking this new tool because we need text also. If text will be there, it'll be nice. Car line, okay, candles. So text tool is not there, but apart from that, we have all the price lines. Let me see the horizontal line, how it works. What is that? Okay, maybe I'll change the line color. Yes, so one line we have. Okay, let me use the same tool because I don't want to spend a lot of time into that. So let's go to the trading view. Adani ports, yes. So we are entering in the market time of 1354 or 1355. Yes. Enterprise at 1355 at the time of 11:09 a.m. Got it? Yes. So let's try to predict this. You can see the market first, analyze the market. You can see it started from 1422 and right now it's in 13, almost 39. So it almost like 100 points down and it's 11 o'clock. Let's see some kind of indicators for that, how it is performing. And based on that, we will try to understand that. Okay, so in today, we are also gonna learn something different in the class. I'll tell you what is that. So let me check this particular product, Adani ports. Yeah. Okay, so Adani ports is already touched this low, you know. 1335 is the least low you can get it. Let me open the crosshair. 1335. Yes, this is where it is. It already touched, so time to go up. But the whole market is down, you know. So we have to wait and watch. But I would say it can go up to 1360 in a buy point of view. We can predict that. 1360 is one of the target, 6 more rupees. It's a very easy target for Adani because you can see it already going up. Then I would say 1370. That's the next mountain. 70. then 1380. 3 from the predictions of sell. Now we can think about what about the downside? I would say 1340. That's one call can be achieved. So these two calls I can give you, which is a hard call is this. That's a hard target to achieve, which means you can see I can just put a lines for you so that you can easily understand. Okay, so let me create a text. So this is actually blue in color. You know why? Because that's our enter market price. We are entering at 1355 at 1109. And we have a predictions. Which is in green color. Targets. This we call it as buy targets. So you can see, we are waiting at 1360. That's a very small target. From there, we are planning to touch this one. Okay, so let's draw a line also for this. And horizontal line. So the first number we are targeting 40 and 60. Let's go for that. $40. And 35. So you can see this. Bring it everything here. We are almost going to touch the buy target. You can see the market right now. Which is in, yes, it's already crossed. The market has been touched. You can see it's 1360. So buy target achieved at the time of 11:16. Let me update that. 1360. It at the time of 11:16 a.m. which is good. Our first target has been done. Let me update that also here. So which is right now it's 5. Okay, so done. So let me think about market. I'll keep it like this so it will be easy for us. Yeah, so these are the lines 160, and let me duplicate the another thing 170. Yeah, then 180. Okay, so you can see different colors here. Market we entered at 1355 at the time of 11:09 a.m. and we got this first target hit 1360 hit, which is a very easy target, so it's not that much big deal. So that got it, at this time, like 11:16 a.m. So 1170, 1370 and 1380 is a possible to touch. Okay, and we also have a sell target at 1340 and 1335. So you can expect that. So we already achieved one targets in Adani Port, and we are hoping to see how it moves forward. So the next product I will, let me refresh it and see what's happening in the upper side of it. ICICI Bank is doing good. Adani Port we are already looking at. NTPC, Coal India, all are like less than 500. So I'm thinking a lot to take off it because you don't see that much of activity there. That's one of the thing. So I'm going to concentrate on ICICI Bank and let's see what's happening there. Okay. So meanwhile, Adani Port is trying to go up because it already reached its height. 1335 is the last touch point. 100 points down today in Adani Port. So we can expect something to bounce back. And we're also going to see something other stuff today, another indicators. So before that, let me open another trading view. You can see ICICI Bank, the market opened here. You can see this is the chart, today chart, October 7. So you can see it bouncing back and now it is coming down. Let's see what exactly happens here. Yes, so market will it's kind of a tricky market today. Not much of a movement here and there. but right now it might go up to 53. So we are watching at ICICI Bank. We are entering the market at 1250 at the time of 11:22 a.m. So predictions, I would say 125. It's not much of it. You can see the highest high is like 10 rupees. So in that, I don't want to break all the 10 rupees. So I'm gonna break it like 6. So 52, 54, 56. Yeah. 52, I can say 1254. There's a chance to go that, not more than that. But there is a chance to go a little bit down. That is also there. But no, so far, yeah, not so down also at the same time. You can see the market is already like 51, it's trying to pump up. So on the downside, I would say 47. That's the one way to go down. One to 4 4. It achieved 1252 now. The market has achieved 1252. You can see before we are putting all these lines and other stuff today, market is achieving. Even Adani port is also trying to touch. Even it is trying to touch the second target also 1254. Two targets has been achieved in the same time. Even it is trying to achieve the third target. Yes, it achieved. So three targets have been achieved in this. You can see how fast it was trying to move up. Three targets done. Already we achieved one in Adani port, and Adani port is almost 68. So on 2 more points it can achieve this also. So all the three targets has been achieved in 11:23, I think. So I'm gonna write that. One two five two, come on, 1254, come on, 1256. Eight at just in 2 minutes we got that hit. We just predicted and it got hit. Okay, so will it go up? You can see the second target has been done here. That's why I'm not taking that much, because I can see a lot of things happening. At 11:26 a.m. we got second target achieved. Time to update this. Yeah. So total points we gained from here is 15, and the points we gained from here is total is 6 and 1. already we achieved 5 targets today. Profit we are getting. You can see 1, 2, and we didn't even laid out any lines here, but let me do that first. Let me write all these targets here. So these are the buy targets. It's already has been done. Okay, market enterprise. Is this? Sell targets. Done. Time, time to bring all these colors. 52 is the first we said. Yes, it crossed. You can see that. Then 54. Yeah. Then 56. So everything has been achieved in just a same time. 11:24. Okay, so we also have some sell targets here in ICICI Bank, which is 1247. You can also do, if you want to do, you can do the lineup downing. We can scalping stuff. So when it comes down also, you can predict. I don't want to say everything because that'll become spoon feeding. So you can do that by your own. So now you already reached 56. So from that you can, you can target 47. So you can do that. So is there anything else in ICICI Bank? Let me check. I don't see anything right now. So let me go to the another accounts. So what are the other products we can see today is Bharti Airtel, ICICI Bank. We are already seeing Kotak Bank is newly entered. I want to see something big player, which is Bajaj Finance. So let's talk about that. It's very pricey, but let's see what's happening there. Okay, Bajaj Finance, I would say. So any other changes here? Yeah, they are going up and coming down, which is good, as like we predicted. Bajaj Finance. Okay, so you can see a very big mountain. We are entering at 7311. Okay, 7311. I'm not seeing anything now. I'm just recording the market and see what happens later. Okay, so let me check Bajaj Finance. What's the deal here? Okay, so the market opened here. You can see it went up, down, and suddenly it picked up at 11 o'clock. It's going like an awesome trip. It's almost 100 rupees going on. Let me see. Yes, there's a possibility is there to touch some points. Let me put that here. Predictions 7317. Yes, 7315 right now. Let's say 7325 first target, or I can say 7320 also. Then 7330, 7340, 7350. We can give a lot of points in this. Is all upside. Can give you many points. 73, even 60 till 80 I can give. So I'm jumping here, or after 50 I'm going to give directly 80. It's hard target, but we can do it because I don't want to put a lot of lines to confuse you. In a downside, I would say downside is also possible. It's already touching, trying to touch that. Downside, I would say downside will come first. Maybe it will touch 7320 in the first beginning. If it's possible, then it will try to fall down. And if it is falling down, I would say it's already touched the first target 7320. You can see here it touched 7320 just now. If you want, you can see it again. We see 7321, right? Which has already been touched. Today everything is, before we say it, it's happening. Market is going so crazy, and it is also going to 73, and this market is a very huge price, so activity will be so fast. So that's why these kind of strong movements. Okay, 7320 hit at 11:35 a.m. We don't have time to do anything, it's just happening. So we got 9 points from this. 7 targets done. Okay, so the downside is going to happen, as I said, 7320 is going to hit, and then downside can happen. So downside, I would say 7310. I cannot say why, because you see we started from 11, so 73019 I can say that is doable. If it crosses 7300 mark, it can go to 7291. You can see already the market is 7305 and 7. It's going up and down. Then 7281 is also possible. It already touched, I think 7301. Yes, it touched here. You can see here. Before predicting 7291, that's what our second stop is. The fourth stop also I can give you 71. It's almost going to touch the second slot. I can see that. No time to predict also today. 771. Yes. So two targets like up and down it is achieving. Yeah, till 93.30 it touched. Let me wait and watch here. Here what's happening here. It's coming down. I'm not going to confirm this till 93 we got, but not 91. So let me check that. 7301 it not hot. It at 11:37 a.m. So which is from 11 I would say, and second target also has been achieved now. Second target is also has been achieved 7289. Actually we are waiting at 7291, right? So this also has been achieved. Nice. No time to put lines or anything today. It's just get hitting back to back. You can see that. And what about here? Any other chances we are getting here? No. Okay, good. Let's go to this prediction. We have a lot of upscales here, and now it's a little bit going down. Let's see. 8171. We're gonna wait and watch about this hits. This I have to put it here. That's it. Okay, so we already have 9 remarks from here, and from the downside we have 10, and from that 20. So I'm just gonna add this. So we have 15 from here. We started from here and 60, 70, so 15 points. And we started from 1250 and we got 1252 hit. We also got 1254 and we also got 1256. So total 6 points, 50 to 56. And we started like 17311. We got 73220 hit. And it also went down and it hit 7301. It also went to 7291. So total points from the downside we can say 20, from the upside we can say 9 points. So total 29 points. Hit wise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 targets has been achieved till now. Right, so let's wait and watch what are the other dramas is going to happen. No time to put all those contents here. Let me try to copy and paste everything fast. So current market price, market entering at, market enter at this price. Buy targets or like that. And we got buy hit also. Sell targets or like this. Yeah, looks good. Then we also achieved sell targets. Great. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 lines and 5 lines. Let me grab this fast. 7320, that's the first hit. Yeah, somewhere like that. Anyway, it achieved, so we don't want to think too much. Next is 7330. Let me zoom it out so that you can see properly. I cannot position it on 7330. Yeah, somewhere there. Seven three four zero 50 and 80, which is here. Good. Let's do some color play. Nice color play. So in the downside, 7301. That's our first target. Yes. And we are starting with the red one, which is already achieved. Then 7291. Which is also has been achieved. The next point is 7281. Okay, somewhere there. Then the last one is 7271. So you can see the second target has been achieved, and here it is coming and restoring the connections. It's pedaling around here. So these are the current scenarios of market. So we are watching Adani Ports, ICICI Bank, and Bajaj Finance. We got 2 buy targets achieved in Adani Ports. We already earned 15 points from that. In ICICI Bank, we did again 3 buy targets, which is 6 points. And in Bajaj Finance, again we did a multiple of 1 buy target and 2 sell targets. So we got 29 points from that. Total 8 targets has been achieved today from 3 equities. In that, if you see almost 6 targets achieved from buy side, and only 2 targets we achieved from the, because all the market is already went to their most core selling point today. So chances of going up is more. So that's why we targeted buy predictions, and that also worked. Then total profit points is 50. So if you would have invested 1000 quantities, you would have got 50,000 right now. We started at 11 o'clock. Right now the time is 11:48. In just 50 minutes, we achieved this. The market is helping in that way. You can see that. And now the ICICI Bank is trying to test the lower point also, which is 2 rupees. You can get that another, and you can see in Bajaj Finance, it already touched the 3rd point, and also it touched the 4th point in the same time. 11:48, we got both the hit of 80 and also 72. So time to do that also. Seven two eight one got hit at 11:49 a.m. and 7271, right? Yes, that also has been hit. So all the down angle has been done. Now time to go up again. From there it has to go up, because maybe it will go till 68, 68, 7268. From there it will go up. So I will try to put everything like this. So you can see. So I would put like 7281 and 7271. Hit at 11:49 a.m. Okay, so if you see the total points we got here is more 20 points we are adding to this, because we already got every 10 points we are adding, so it's very easy to add. So 29 will become 49, and 8 targets will become 10 targets we hit. And we got a profit of 70 points today, which is huge. That's the benefit of working on big numbers. Your achievable things will be more. Now again, if you want, you can do the scalping with all these targets, because it's trying to go up, so you can do that. In the downside, if you worried, I would say 7268 it will go. Right now the market is 7278, till 68 it will go. It already achieved 7270. You can see 7270 it achieved. Our target is 7271, so it crossed it. And I can say till 7268, till here. You see the crosshair 7268. Till here it will touch, and from there it should bounce back. If not, the market is going down. So let's wait and watch for the buy calls. Before doing buy trade, let's wait and watch here. You wait till it reaches 7280. Okay, if you're doing buy call, you wait till 7280. So let me go back to other products, and you can see 1247 as the touchdown has been happened in ICICI Bank. Right now the market is 1247. That's our sell target achieved. So all the three buy target also achieved. Even the sell also achieved 1247. Hit at 11:53 a.m. ICICI Bank. We got this also today. And from 50, if you see 3 more points, so it's not 6 now, it's 9. I'm not calculating from the 56. I'm just calculating from my current price. But if I calculate from here, I will get more actually. Almost, 9 points we'll get, but we are adding only 3 points because from 50 minus 47, so I'm adding 3 more points to it. So we got 73. That's the idea behind it. And ICICI is trying to touch 44 also. Let's see what happens. 2 more points will be gonna add into that. It's 45.30. You can see it's bouncing back again. If you want, you can do all these trades. As I said, once it started 7280, you get to the buy call, not before that. Do a lot of back testing, paper trade. Don't just jump into with your money. It's not that safe. And today, one of my student, as I said, he was doing in Zomato. He earned 6,000 rupees. He did 6 points in Zomato. I will share the screenshot later. Okay, so the market is peddling there to touch that 1244. Here it's again trying to pile up. I'm saying try to do anything which it when it touches this, don't do anything before that. Adani is like 1370 we got. We are waiting at 1380 hit, which is little bit hard target here. And another hard target is 1340. Right now it's 1350. We are waiting here and here. This is again a hard target 1335 because that's the top bottom. So if the market is really going down, then we can expect, but the market is actually trying to survive here. If it is going down below of this point, like 24804, then you can expect that kind of activities from ICICI Bank. It can go below that. From the Adani ports. It can go below 13350. Everything is connected. You can see that. ICICI Bank is going to touch that 1244, our second sell target. It's trying its best to fight. And Bajaj Finance, you can see it's trying to come up. Very nicely. Trying to come up. 1245. One more points. Here Adani port is struggling. It's actually getting sideways. I can see that. And even the market is getting up. Okay, so now the buy call has been activated in Bajaj Finance. People who want to, do a paper trading or a real investment on buy call, you can target this. In the buy, we already hit 7320, which is here, but you can target from, at least at these many lines are there. You can target any lines from here. It's up to you. I'm not going to say target because I'm waiting at 7330, which is here. And I'm also waiting here and here. Let's see how it works. That's my waiting point, and you can see the ICICI Bank hit 124044 mark. One two four four hit at 12:01 p.m. So we can add 2 more points in ICICI. Yes, now it's 11. So total we achieved 11 targets today and 75 points we achieved. We are expecting something to be happen in this side. Two, three, four, five, six, seven, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 targets. Yes, 12 targets achieved, 75 is the mark we got. So let's see whether we can push it till 100. There are a lot of targets to achieve. 100 points is easily doable. If it is achieved, you can see like one more lines are here, which is hugely possible to achieve for Bajaj Finance. And here we have two sell targets, both are achieved. And I had three buy targets, that is also achieved. So in ICICI Bank, do we have any more targets that we have to check out? Okay, and in buy targets of Adani Ports 3 out of 3, 2 is achieved. And sell target, it didn't achieve, it achieved before we enter the market. It's like 11 o'clock, 11:05 it achieved, but after that it is not going down. And we also know it's not going to go down because it's already touched the peak of it. So it's trying to go up. So what we can expect is this achievement 1380. Let's see. Again, 1378 is the actual mark. From there I pushed a little bit to 1380. So let's see whether it get that strength to go that level. ICICI, we have to check more points are there or not. And Bajaj Finances in this scenario. We are waiting to achieve all these green marks. Let's see. So let me check any other points available for ICICI Bank because it sorted everything today. Okay, so yes, downside possibility is there for ICICI Bank. Let me check the buy targets for ICICI. Yes, still 56 I already gave. But I can give some more down points here. 44 I said I can say 1240. Another target I'm adding to this right now, which is hard target, but if it achieves, it will be very good. These are all hard targets. Everything is hard targets now, but chances are there to achieve. That's why I'm giving it. 1235, another hard target. Once that is done, I don't know whether it's possible, but market is going very crazy. So there's a huge chance to go down. 12230. This is a super hard target. Let me paste it here in the okay. Got it. So we did some text wrapping there. So we got new targets for ICICI Bank, which is 1240, 1235, and 1230. So let me check. That's the condition. Again, it is doing the breathing. It is trying to go up. We want to achieve 1380 from Adani ports. And this is also breathing, but I'm gonna copy paste and put it in 13 in this color. Yeah. 1335, right? Yes. Which is very hard to achieve today, but I'm still trying. I'm not even drawing the line for 1230 because let's wait and watch. And this is struggling in the base price. It is Bajaj Finance. All the sell targets has been achieved, right? And buy targets we are waiting. Only one is achieved. So any other sell target we are planning here? I don't think so. Let me check one more time on this. Bajaj Finance sell targets. Any more sell targets do we have? Yeah, we have actually. We have sell targets in Bajaj Finance. We already achieved 4 here, but it depends. Like if market is really going down, I would say 7 to 7 1. I said no, I can crank up to 61, 51, and 61 and 51. I can say two more we can line up. But chances are also going up. But anyway, I'm just gonna line up those 4 5 lines. 61 and 51. Got it. Let me add this in the yeah. So these are the categories right now we are having. We got 2 targets already hit. We are waiting for the third target. 3 more targets we had. 1240 and 1235. Let's see what's gonna happen. And here also we are expecting 7261, which is this one. Yes, then 51. Let me increase the thickness so that you can see differently. Okay, so 1, 2, 4, 3. It's trying to go up. This is trying to come down. ICICI Bank, Bajaj Finance. Again, it's a banking sector. You can see that. Let me introduce an indicator for you. It's not an indicator, it's kind of a study. Okay, so let me wait. So these are so many lines, so I don't want to show anything here. So let's see something in Adani ports. Okay, and let's go to the indicators and search for pivot points. But when you're searching for pivot points, I'm going to search for center pivot range. Yes, with other bar colors. I don't know what is it. I can go for this, or there are a lot of things I can also go for this. Let me check which one is exactly what I'm looking for, because we have a lot of pivot range. Let me check this. Okay, so this has some lines to it. Okay, I don't want this. Because if I'm teaching this, you will get confused. Because a lot of technicals in that. Sorry. This again indicator from Lich MC. Let's see this. Okay, 2x. This is again looks a little bit complex for the beginners. That's the problem. So let's go with Manoj Bila thing indicator. Okay, so it looks very basic and very strong also. Let me see any settings I can change. Growing, falling. I want to change the dotted lines actually. Okay, let me check the market again. What's happening? We cannot jump on that. It's still peddling. Okay, let's go to the Adani ports and try other. I'll try to write CPR. What are the CPRs we have? We have from community. No. Center pivot. RSI center pivot. No. Range. If nothing is coming, maybe the spell. No. Crazy doodle central pivot range. Okay. People are changing in a different names. Again, a lot of dotted lines are coming. Yeah, this looks okay. Okay, kind of thing. Too much lines. Okay. Too much dotted lines. I don't like that much of. Design wise, that's a problem because design is very important. Okay, so I'm gonna remove all these things so that which will not gonna disturb you. Yeah, it's good. Good actually. Yeah, this is nice. I did some circles. Yeah, good. So I would do one thing. I will just change the color, but TC the maybe this I don't know. The naming is different, but the line is affecting. Top center and bottom center. This is center line and this is top center and this is bottom center. But here the name has been little changed. I don't know. Maybe I am wrong or they are wrong. Okay. Okay. So what is this actually? Let me check anything is happening in the market. Nothing. We are waiting for the four target 7261. We are waiting here. Okay. Good. Let's wait there. And we want waiting here, which is again fighting back and coming down. And from here we are learning CPR also, and you can see some movements is happening here. It's trying to go up. As I told, it's like a very hard targets. Let's try to achieve that. Yes. Now what is CPR? Now CPR we call it a center pivot range or central pivot range, which talks about what's the trend. You can see the trend of Adani ports, like it is ascending trend and this is all descending trend. So the trend also tells you like what is going to happen today. So you can compare the yesterday trend to today trend. You can see, okay, market is going to go down. That's one of the easy technicals for you to understand. Okay, so based on that, you can also see how the candles are breaking out. If the candles are breaking out the center line, this the blue line is the center line. I did some settings in TradingView. You would have seen that I've hidden certain lines. I don't want to confuse you. Anyway, we're going to learn everything. Don't worry on that. But I don't want to confuse you with other stuffs. So now you see the candle is breaking down and it is coming down very nicely. So anything below of this blue line and the red line, we call this as a bottom central. This is the top one. Sorry. So you can see the lines are breaking so badly, right? So, but we still have 1380, which is here. We are waiting to achieve that. In the buy call, but in the sell call, this is the last landmark because you see the CPR. So let's talk about candles and CPR. Okay, so let's talk about the yesterday market. You can see CPR is trying to touch here, then it touched the center line. Once it touched the center line, it got some energy, it's going out, and again once it touched the center line, it's trying to pull down because this line is actually a game changer for any equity. The central pivot, and these are the ranges. Okay, and which is coming down. That's how the market, and you can see it is again breaking down, and you can see here the market started with the in October 1st, I think. Yeah, the market started inside the CPR. So inside the CPR, don't take any decision because the market is in sideways. Market don't know what to do. So market means the psychological pattern of the traders. You can see It's going up and down. The moment when it crosses this particularly, and when it goes to here, it clearly says that yes, I am out of the mark. It happened here also, but it is a red impression, then it went down. You can see it's a green impression, then again a red. Okay, then it's a green impression, two green crossing the thing, then again. But we need completely standing out of the top central range, which is this, and which happened here, but it is still crossing, and it happened here. But this is marked as red. This is not that much green. You can see there is not much of a green. But here the green is there, and also you can see the upper candle is going on top. So there is a lot of push is there from the downside, and also a lot of pulling on the upper side. So we can expect the market gonna go up, and you see that is happening here. Yes, again it survived. It survived a small changes and it went up. So if you see from here to here, 1459 to 1472. Okay, it's a very good point collection happened. Okay, so that is the breaking of. So we are seeing 7 days break, price break. Now that is the CPR for you, central pivot range, where we can understand that. That's a good learning on that. We are also have a lot of classes which is happening on. You can see 75 points today we achieved. And these are the targets we achieved today. By target, we came up with 3 targets, and all the 3 targets has been achieved. We also expected 2 targets from sell is achieved. And from Bajaj Finance, we did all the 4 targets. 5 targets in that first target has been achieved. In the sell call, we achieved 4 targets. So we are doing good in that. And we also added two more new targets here, and let's see how it's gonna perform. So we have, some classes which is happening for you guys. So you can join to that classes or anytime. And I want you to get benefit of that. It's a 3-level course. We have the form which is circulated to get registered. So it's a 20 days course for the 3 levels. Level 1 is a 20-day course, and level 2 is another 20, and level 3 is another 20. In level 1, we're going to be discussing all these topics. Already like 4 or 5 classes has been already started. Second batch also we are planning to start soon. So you can register to this by giving your name, mobile number, profession, and how you know about us. And the registration fee for 20 days training is 3,000 rupees. And we're going to discuss all these topics like how to understand charts, picking the right stocks, how to execute buy sell trades, how to calculate the margin, how to set up some losses, and how to stop it, and what are the winning and safe strategy, how to do mind discipline, and what is the psychology of risk management, and also we're going to go more deep into technicalities, indicators, understanding the market flow, the golden rules of trading, how to enter and how to exit, what is the strategy for that, how to predict the trends, and understanding the sideways market and making benefit from that, using moving average and scalping techniques. So once it's done, we are also moving to level 2, where we are putting all this theory into practice. Daily, all the traders will be doing 3 paper trades. Paper trade is nothing but what we are doing here. More detailed version of this. This is like just a beginning version of paper trade, but we'll be doing a lot of more into that, like buying quantities, at what time you bought, what is your strategy, everything we are coding it. We'll be learning that. Uh, so that level mainly focuses on decision making on each trades, analyzing strategies. We are practicing discipline using in the backtest methods, and I'll be analyzing all your documents. You can share the documents where you can I can literally sit with you and see what really happened. In the level 3, we are going to, it's a very important level where we can take into the real-time trade, where we'll be investing some money. Your investment, minimum, I want you to invest like 10,000 on your demat account. So I'll be monitoring your live performances and checking like what is your decision and all those things. So whatever the gaps we are getting it from the beginning, from the knowledge in the level 1, and you're getting some confidence in the level 2, and in the level 3 we are simply moving out into the experience side. So once you do that, you will be set in the intraday trading. You can work as an independent trader, or you can work in some registered companies. So these are the things we have. I want you to, we are also doing daily live stream, so you can fill your thing in that. In the live stream also, I'll try to paste that link. And let's check what's happening in the live market. Adani is still peddling it. Again, ICICI Bank, instead of going down, it is trying to go up. Bajaj Finance is right now it's 7273. The buy call, it worked till 7296. I told you to do the buy call at 7280 again. It went up to 7296, not more than that. Will it go up? Chances are there to go all these things, but what time it's gonna go up, we don't know. We are just waiting for the market, because there is a huge climbing has been done. Now it went to halfway breathe. Now it's also trying to pedal up and down. Let's see what happens. Maybe at the time of 1 o'clock we can see a lot of things gonna happening. Maybe it will fall here, or it will try to climb up again. Bajaj Finance have that potential is there for today. Let's see. ICICI Bank, we predicted 2 more things. Even in Adani Ports, let's go to the reality of market, which is still struggling. 24908. Newly NTPC came, Power Grid came, Adani Enterprise has gone. In buy market, you can see Bajaj Finance and ICICI Bank. If you have any other equity in your mind, you can tell me in the live comments. I can also work on for that. Here you can see buy targets. All the three targets has been achieved. All the three targets has been achieved at the same time, 11:24. You can see that it's one big shot, like just went up. Then these two are targets also achieved immediately in the coming down. It achieved this and this, 11:53 and 12 o'clock. So this also has been achieved. That's the stage of ICICI Bank. In Bajaj Finance, we can see we entered at 7,311, and we have a lot of targets in buy. When we are entering, we had a lot of targets in buy call, but it achieved only 7,320, which is here at 11:35. After that, it didn't go up, it is trying to go down. When it going down, it tried to achieve, it hit a lot of targets like 7,301, 7,291, and 7,281 and 7,271. So because of that, we thought maybe it will try to get 7,261 and 7,251 also. Our target is waiting here. Our target is waiting here. Let's wait and watch. So Bajaj Finance, we got almost 5 hits, and in ICICI Bank, we got 3 5 hits, and in Adani Ports, we got 2 hits. We are waiting for 1340, but I don't think it's going to happen because the market is, struggling in here. Huge chance to get to 1380. Let's see. Okay, so this is going very not active mode. So I'm gonna introduce some of the other products. What if we bring Bharati Airtel? I'm thinking on it. IDC is taking first place, but again IDC, like movement wise, it'll be very less. Bharati Airtel we can try, but the time is already 12:40, so I'm thinking whether to get in or not. If these people are doing great, then we don't have to add any other thing. Okay, so let's wait and watch what happens in this sections. Meanwhile, we'll go and see most active HDFC Bank, Reliance, Titan, Axis Bank, and Tata Steel. Again, HDFC Bank. I don't understand this. Most active. Both are coming in this symbols. You can see today in the total Nifty 50, the Maruti is the number one change happened. Change in the value of uh, points, change in the value of percentage. You can see NTPC, Bharti Airtel is number one changes, ITC, Bajaj Finance, ICICI Bank, all those companies. In downside, we can see Adani Ports, Power Grid, Coal India, and all those companies. And 52-week high. Good. This is alphabetical order, so you can see that. Adani Port is like stuck to that place. ICICI Bank is also like thinking, and Bajaj Finance is going down again. You can see it's going down. It's gonna touch that 7266, a drastic down. We're expecting at 7261. Yes, it touched 7261. A big jump there when we are just watching. 7261 got hit as we predicted at 12 to 42 p.m. We are also expecting 7251 hit, 725155. Yes, it got hit. On the same time, 7251, right? We also have more sell calls in that. So 2 calls has been achieved. 14 targets. 512.42. Fugit from Bajaj Finance. So we are adding 20 more points, which is 69 here. So almost 95 points we achieved today, which is really good. Can we have more into this? Let me check. Bajaj Finance. As I said, 53, 51 is our target, right? $41, maybe we can add. I don't know. It's a little tough to add 41 to it, but I'll be adding that now. 7241, a hard target. Let's see what happens. 7241. I've added one more points targets here. 7241. Yes. The total 14 targets and 95 points. We got it today. And it is still pushing to more down. Let me check any other markets are there for us to give. Okay, the market is going more down. From 904, it's 24,865 now. So this is the lowest today, which is 809. So if it goes more down, there are a lot of things might happen. Let's see what happens at the time of 1 o'clock. And it also touched the second mark, which is when we are not seeing. Thank God we put the line here. You can see 7239, it has been hit. 7242, 7240. Okay, our target is 7241. That is also has been hit. We have more targets in this, but I think that's enough for today in Bajaj Finance. Seven two four one also has been hit. So total 79 points we got from Bajaj Finance. We got almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 targets has been achieved. Overall total 15 targets means 7 and plus one more buy target here. So total 8 targets has been achieved only from Bajaj Finance. And we earned almost 79 points, which makes our total 105 points. And in ICICI Bank, you can see 3 points here and 2 points here, total 5 points, which earns up to 11 points here. Sorry, 12 points. Why? Because from 50, we are having 6 points here. And from the downwards also, we have 3 here, 3 here. So total 6 plus 6, 12 points. And from 55, we had at 5 and 15. So we got 15 points. After that, there is nothing happened in Adani Ports. Maybe if it goes to 40, then we can expect something, but that's not happening. ICICI Bank 1244, it already achieved. We have 1240, we are waiting for that. Bajaj Finance, right now it touched 1235. We predicted like 1241. And I'm not going to give any more sell call in this. Sell is possible there, but I'm not going to give because we already made a lot of targets today from sell. But sell is possible. If you want, I can just tell you what are the sell calls are possible today in Bajaj. So if you want to try, you can try, but again, you are trying at your own risk. Always do paper trading. If market is keep pushing it down, I would say we don't have that much time, but probably we can, predict till right now 7240 the market is. We can expect 7230. Yeah, I'll try to give big numbers. We can expect the market go to 7200. Yes, then 7175 also possible. You see, right now it's 238. I'm saying somewhere here it's possible, and it is also possible to 170. Yes, if market is really pushing, then it can go to 150, 125 also is possible. Lot of big numbers are gonna come. Even 110 also possible, which is here. So this many lines are there. 110, you can say 130, 150, sorry, not this, sorry, 7, 110, 130, 150. Then from there we can, if the market is going down, otherwise no. 180 is possible, 200 is possible. All these are possible marks. So you can expect till 7, 110, but maximum 7, 170 is usually possible, or 7200 also is easily possible. So if you're really targeting 200, you can see this mark. You can expect that much, not more than that. Now ICICI Bank is again touching 71244. We are waiting 4 more points down. And Adani is like jumbling here and there. Our live stream also like 6 minutes more. Let's see what happens. And what about the NSE decline here? NSE is declining so much, 24,824. This is only 809. 824. If you want, I can open NSE also. We'll open Nifty 50 chart. Will be nice for you to see. Nifty 50 index. Yes. So we already see today is the Nifty 50 condition is here, and this is the lowest mark 24,800, 805. It is already 24,805, so the market is really down. And is it possible to go down more? Yes, it's happening already. You don't want me to say it, but if you really want me to say it, I can say that also. Yes, I mean the market is going to go very low after this, and it's going to start now. From here to 3 o'clock, it's going to go super low. Low, you can expect more 200 points to touch, which is to 24,600 is also possible. It's trying to pedal here on 24,848, but let's see how much it gets strength. It survived in the beginning, but in 11 o'clock, you can see here, it touched here and it got survived till almost 2,500, 25,000 points. Like, then again, now it is in this stage. Let's see, like 11 o'clock, after 2 hours, it is again coming to that point, which is 1 o'clock now. Let's see what's happening in Bajaj Finance. Bajaj Finance is trying to go up. We are not saying any points here, but there are a lot of points for Bajaj Finance also. ICICI Bank, it's in the second sell target. We are expecting the third one. I don't know what happened to this Adani Ports. Just stuck to this, maybe due to the market and all those things. But it's gonna soon, like, from 1 o'clock onwards, the market is gonna go down. I can see from the Nifty 50 chart. Nifty 50 chart is this. It's already down. And it survived here, but I don't think now it can survive. The exact opposite gonna happen, which is 800 to almost 200 points, right? Yeah, so the 200 points is gonna go down, which is 815 to 615. Till here, there's a chance to come after one. That's a prediction. That's a technical analysis. Based on that, I'm predicting. And this guy is trying to climb a ladder because Bajaj Finance today, there is a chance to go up. The chances are there hugely. ICICI, it's almost already touched the core point 131,235. Even Adani Ports is already in the down market. If the Nifty 50 goes down, this will crash here. Adani will crash here because they are already in the downtrend. So this is a very danger line for them today, for Adani Ports. They should not touch this. If they touch it, the market will crash. Let's see. Because they're already in the core point. This 1335 is their core. The core selling target. If they're touching this and breaking this, that means, it'll be a rally. It'll be a total chaos. So that's why you can see it's struggling. It got stuck in the market. It was, traders, thinking a lot now, to go which side. The market started here. You can see open market, like, market started at 1358 and it's 1 o'clock. Based on many products movement, it's already only 13 products in the market doing advance. Let's see how many products is helping the Nifty 50. But 37 or decline actually. Yeah, 37 is declined. Let me create a horizontal line on this. That's a very, very important red line for today Nifty 50 market. And if it is crossing down more, then many things is gonna happen. You can see some changes happening in the ICICI and also in our Bajaj Finance. Yes, we have 28, 30 targets were there. I'm not listing it down, but a lot of targets are there. Because the moment when it touches this, you can see a lot of changes gonna happen. Adani, I don't know what's they do. ICICI Bank is pulling down. Bajaj Finance is coming down. You can see we already achieved a lot of targets today. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 targets we achieved today. So that's why I'm not going more on Bajaj Finance. But I already said you can expect 7,200 points to easily touch, and which is happening. If you want, I can make the one target now, but I don't know whether it's gonna happen immediately because 25 right now points are there. If you want, I can do only 1 point, which is 7,200. I know that purposefully I'm keeping it a huge line. This is an ultimate thing. We don't do this kind of targets always. So I'm gonna add all the points if we touch this from 7240. We are adding 7200 with double star to it. Let's see that predictions for Bajaj again. Yes, we added to it. Once we get it, we'll get almost 40 points adding to it. 41 points we can add to that. That's a huge thing. And if you see Nifty 50, it crossed it. That's so bad. As I said, after 1 o'clock, these kind of stuffs can happen. And this is also coming down, 16 more points to touch. And even ICICI Bank is trying to touch that 4 points. And Adani, I don't know, it's somehow struggling and keeping that hold at 1355, which is really good. It's a really good, but I don't know what happens after 1352, because you see this is a fight it has been done before. If it fails here, it has to do another fight here. So two holdings are there for Adani. So let's see what happens. ICICI giving a nice fight, 1241 more 1.5 paise. We are expecting at 1240. Okay, you can see here 1240. And this is again taking some thing here. Let's see that. So most of the banking sectors are taking toll today. We can see I'm also checking SBI Live in my mobile, which is also like so much happened today from the SBI Live. It's fighting here. That's what more it breaks down, chances for market to fall is huge. Let's see what happens. We'll wait till 10 more minutes max. 1:15 I will close the live stream for sure, because we cannot take it more. Adani ports are trying to struggle in that 1355, 136, that mark, 1356 mark. It's already in the core and it is having a very good hold here. They are not letting down the market. Traders are doing a real good job. And ICICI Bank, you can see the big climb, and how they are coming down very nicely. You can see the steps here, down and up, but not beating this. Again down and up, but not beating this. Sorry. Then again a down. So we can expect a up till here. Might be if the market is good. Otherwise, fall. Where these two lines are very crucial lines for ICICI. Like how Adani have two crucial lines, ICICI also have two crucial lines. Same here, you can see a very big fall, and it's supposed to climb till here, but it didn't get the breathing space. It went only this much, and again down, again this much. Now if you see, it didn't even lift it up. At least it's supposed to go till here, but it went till here and it's now going down. So this place, as I said, 1352 is very important for Adani. If it breaks, it will come down very drastically. ICICI Bank is struggling, really in the edge for the touch. And Bajaj Finance, we have an extreme big target, because I don't want to put a lot of other small targets for you. So we have a very big target which is waiting at the 40 points, 41 points, because the last target what we achieved is 7241, and the next target I kept it in a very big, which is 7200. So more 21.50 or 22 points we will achieve that. And what happened in the Nifty 50 conditions? You can see that green impression is gone. What we are seeing is a 5 minutes window, and it is going more down. And today's market, this is the low. This is the super low, and it's gonna go more low as we predicted. 24,600 points is gonna touch till here. So you can see that also. I can put you that. Anyway, we are not gonna see fully, but still for your understanding. So till there it's gonna go. So now only it started. A huge chance to touch this. This is a huge chance. That means there is a huge chance to go more down also, right? So that's why I'm not gonna put everything, because we don't have time. We have only 5 minutes to see this. Let's see Bajaj. It's trying to climb, and you can see Adani touched it again from the 11 o'clock. Again at the time of 110, it touched 1240. Our hard target has been achieved. So today market is very going down, as we said. So hard target also is getting achieved at 1:10 p.m. So more 4 points is gonna add in ICICI Bank. Which is totally comprises of 16 points. And also we achieved 16 targets today. So ICICI Bank touched this 1240. 3 targets has been done. These are all super hard targets, as I already said. 1235 is another hard target, and 1230 is a very, very huge hard target to achieve, because actually ICICI Bank is supposed to go up. Because of the overall market is going down, so the market is coming down. ICICI also coming down. Okay, even Bajaj Finance, like if you see overall market today, it's in a high position, then it went very down. Now it is pedaling here. So it came till 7213. 13 more points down, it would have reached our target, which is a huge target for us. And Nifty 50 is again trying to come up. Whenever it's trying to come up, you can see some good changes happening in, banking sector, and also in Adani Port. It is trying to pitch up. But what if this goes down again? Will it goes down? Yes, it will go down. Will it go up? No, it will not go up, because the things are like that today. Let's see how it fights back. Let's see how many of them got. You see, 2 more companies got into decline, become 37 to 39. You can see from the point which is going down. This is what is happening. So sell trades, you can take a profit out of it. We are seeing we are making profit already. 110 points we did today, which is huge actually. So if you would have invested 1000 quantities, you would have earned 1,10,000 rupees. But investing on everything on 1,000 quantities is huge, because you see Bajaj Finance, the price value is 7,311. In that, if you want to buy 1,000 quantities, it's like too much investment you need. It's a very pricey stock. But in that, we got almost lot of listings today. We got almost 80 points from that Bajaj Finance only. And if you have that much investment, you will be buying lot of quantities in this Adani Ports and ICICI Bank also. So there will be no 1,000, it will be more, maybe 5,000 or 6,000 quantities. But when you buy 5,000, 6,000 quantities, you will be clogging the market. That is also there. Your sell order or your buy order will be struggling to move. Okay, so we are seeing the downside of it. It's like 7212. I really want to see this. If it is possible, we can log this in our document, because 12 more points. It's not happening that easily. Okay, so maybe I will close Adani Ports. Yes, Adani Ports, we entered market at 1355 at 11 o'clock. Then we said 1360 is the target, which is achieved at 11:16. And we also, I also predicted 1370, and that also achieved at 11:26 a.m. I also predicted 1380. I was mostly waiting for it, but it couldn't do it. It was keep falling down the market because of market, going down and down. So it got stuck here. So that's the scenarios of, and sell targets we predicted at 1340, which actually happened in 11 o'clock before we enter the market. We entered at 11:09, and we also predicted 1335, which didn't happen. So there is a scenario of Adani Ports. I'm gonna close this particular trade. Okay, so when it comes to ICICI Bank, still there. Okay, when it comes to ICICI Bank, you can see we entered market at 1250 at 11:22, which was here, and we had a very small input, which is 11:52 in the first. I mean 12:52, 12:54, 12:56. Everything got hit at the same time, 11:24, which is just a 2 minutes before. 2 minutes after, we got it, an immediate hit. And we also got 11:53, like 12:47 we did, which is here. I'm not gonna calculate this, but I'm calculating here, which is 3 rupees from down of my market enterprise. Okay, so I got here of 12:47, 12:44, and 12:40. Okay, so these are the three things has been done in ICICI Bank. And you can see in Bajaj Finance, which is huge thing happened today. So we entered market at 73111 at 11:32 a.m. Then in 11:35 we got first buy target achieved, which is 7320. Then we expected a lot of buy calls, but nothing happened. But instead of that, market started coming down because of the market pull today, and we got 7301, which is here, and we got 7291, 7281, and 7271. From there again it went to 7261, 7251, 7241. Then we stopped predicting it. We thought, okay, it's going too much. Then we went for a bigger target, which is 7,200. And you can see, which is only 6 rupees, 6 points are left, 5 points, 3 points left, 7202 right now. We are expecting the market to go down, 7202.20. 2 more rupees, we'll get that big point section in Bajaj Finance today, which is gonna increase our trade in the next level 7201. We are expecting at 7200, which is always a big number. Many people, many volumes, many quantities will be sitting there in that number. So let's see how it breaks. We are so close, only one more rupee. It touched to 7201. Let's see what happens there. Yes, again it touched 7201. One more points. I can see a lot of crowd is sitting in 7200 mark. That is why that hesitation, but it's still fighting. You can see the fight, and you can see it is going down. Nifty 50, what you're seeing. In this kind of scenario, you have to check the technicals. If the technicals is supporting you, you can wait. If the technicals is not supporting and the market is really fighting, you can just change the figures. Like if you are waiting at 7200, you can, just leave one more rupees on it and you can come out at 7201, because that can be achieved easily. Many traders will do that kind of, you can lose your points like 1 point and you can achieve it. Now anyway we are doing paper trading, so I don't have to worry on that 41 points so much. But again, I'm having a confidence on this. The market will go down. I have an expectation the market will touch this. So definitely this will also touch this point, because for Bajaj Finance 7200 is a very easy touching. It's not a very big target for that. Very big target means I would say 7170, but we can also expect till 7110 from Bajaj Finance if it is really going down today. So let me close the ICICI Bank, which is not gonna happen anything now. So we got very nice targets. So we have only one market which is open here because we are very close to hit the target. That is why. So I already crossed the limit here and I'm waiting from the time. Let me see 3 more minutes and what happens. You can see some green is happening. That's why. Maybe in the next red, the next 5 minutes, Bajaj Finance should touch 7200. For 3 more minutes, we'll wait and watch what happens. Now you can see very clearly 2 more points. One more point. Yes, it's gonna happen now. 0.15 points, remember 0.05, and we will get the touchdown now. 0.05 is pending. Yes, it touched 7,200. It went down. There's a chance to go down more, but stop seeing that. You know, we'll come here. Where is that? Yes. So we achieved at 124, which is a huge delay, but still 7,200 hit, a big hit at 1:24 p.m., which yields you almost 41 points. So yes, done. Let's add this into red. Total 17 targets we achieved, and 41 means 80. 80 plus 40, 120 points we got it. So this is what the today earning in almost I would say in 2 hours 25 minutes. Okay, so yeah, I'm going to close the Nifty 50 and also Bajaj Finance. We see a lot of targets has been done today. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned many things today, like how to predict and other stuff. If you really want to, learn from me, you can have the registration thing. You can go to the any video you can see in the description, the form link. You can register with us. And thank you, happy trading, and see you soon. Bye bye.